Hi, I'm Cookie. Welcome back to my show, Bedtime Stories. Cookie! Today we're going to look at Sesame Street's Cookieland, where all my cookies are made. We also tonight have to solve a mystery that you will find out about during the video and must stay to the very end to find out the suspect. Are you going to come and join me on an adventure? Yes! Good, get yourself comfortable, ready for sleep, as we head off to see me, Cookie! My favorite place to visit in all of Sesame Street, Cookieland! Nom 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 nom.
Howdy kids, Elmo here! Welcome to Cookieland! You'll have a wonderful time with Cookie, exploring all the wondrous cookies ever invented. Invented, you crack me up, Elmo! Through all the amusement rides. Remember kids to keep getting more Sesame Street and other cartoon bedtime stories. Subscribe to the channel would help out very much. Thanks for all your support. Sleep well tonight as Cookie returns. Hey Cookie, stop eating all the cookies!
Me, Cookie! So many cookies to choose from. How about we go through the alphabet to find 26 different cookies? Ooh, it would be helpful if we had the alphabet cookies with all the letters, but unfortunately Cookie got hungry and ate them all. Cookie's sorry, but was too delicious. Nom 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 nom. Are you ready at home to follow me through the alphabet to find 26 cookies?
Yay! I'm ready. Elmo's ready. Come on, Cookie. I'm so excited to hear what cookies you come up with. If you at home come up with any different cookies to Cookie Monster, leave a comment on the video and Cookie will reply. Hey Cookie!
What you say, Elmo? I'm too busy eating all my chocolate chip cookies.
Never mind, Cookie. Cookie Monster gets easily distracted. He will reply to your comments. Enjoy yourself learning the different cookies of the alphabet. Yay!
Let's go kids. A is for almond cookie, very nutty. B is for blueberry cookie, very healthy option for you kids. C is for chocolate chip cookie, Cookie's favorite. D is for digestive biscuits, good for digestive good health, for your tummy. E is for eggnog. It's not Christmas time yet, Cookie, is it? F is for fortune cookie, where we make dreams come true, like you're the most beautiful person in the world. Nom 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 nom. If you look in the mirror after eating a fortune cookie, you will become the most beautiful kid in the world. Every time you look in the mirror, remember how special you are. That includes you too, parents. G is for gingerbread cookies. They are so cute, almost don't want to eat them. H is for Hershey cookies and cream. Oh Hershey's, they make very nice chocolate cookies. I is for ice cream cookie. Ooh, ice cream. It's very soft in the middle and crunchy on the outside. J is for jelly bean cookie. Lollies and cookies put together. K is for Kit Kat cookie. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. L is for lemon cookie. Very lemony. Time to get some lemons off the tree. M is for M&M cookie. All the colors of the rainbow inside the cookie. Nom 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 nom. N is for Nutty Bar cookie. Cookie! They're so crazy for cookies. O is for oatmeal cookie. That is too healthy for me, but good for you. P is for peanut butter cookie. So smooth to touch and fairly crunchy as a cookie. Q is for quinoa cookie. Super healthy. R is for red velvet macaroon. Yummy for my tummy. S is for smarty cookie, as you are smarter than a 5th grader. T is for Tim Tam, great to have with a hot chocolate. U is for ultimate Hershey chocolate chip cookie. More chocolate chip for me. V is for vanilla cookie. Vanilla. W is for white chocolate cookie. White chocolate so good for my tummy. X is for X cookie. as X marks the spot. Y is for yogurt cookie, very fruity to me. And C is for zucchini, super healthy and green vegetable, very tasty. Now you know your ABC of cookies. Follow me as we find these cookies in Cookieland. Jump on the Cookie Express with me, Cookie, with my face in front of the train. All blue on the outside and inside. You have only one choice of dish for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Can you guess at home?
Cookie! Cookies! Cookies!
How you guess that? Cookie impressed with your knowledge and understanding. I have a blue icing cookie straight from the factory, ready for you to eat. Delicious! So remember, at any time you can fall asleep, is what we're here to do, is make your night peaceful. Close your eyes as you listen to the story. Choo choo! Chugga chugga chugga. Choo choo! Chugga chugga chugga. Choo choo! We end up at our first destination, Count Cookie's mansion. Welcome to the Count Cookie's mansion, where you will find butts flying around, organs playing nice tunes, as well as Count's cookies, purple in color of course. I am the Count, and I like counting things, is what I do. So how about you join me and imagine counting the cookies as they are individually wrapped. Just follow what I say. 1 purple cookie, then 2 purple cookies, right up to 10. Hopefully we won't have any interruptions. Now why everyone looking at me, Cookie? I will not eat all your cookies. You ready to count with me, the Count? Let's go. 1 purple cookie, 2 purple cookies, 3 purple cookies, 4 purple cookies. Oh, you bat, stop ruining my counting. Sorry, so noisy. 5 purple cookies, 6 purple cookies. Ha 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 ha.
No more cookies for you, Count. Hey, me Elmo here. Want to try the cookie?
Elmo, let me finish. 7 purple cookies, 8 purple cookies, 9 purple cookies, and finally 10 purple cookies. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
Oh, Cookie, we better get out of here before the Count discovers that the 10 purple cookies are missing. To the Cookie Express, quickly!
Cookie! We're back on the train as we head off to our next destination. Hey boys and girls, would you like a cookie? There you go, as you pretend to eat the cookie so tasty. You look out the window at the Cookieland and see my beautiful grass is all blue in color. The chocolate coming out of the majestic waterfall is bright blue as we open our mouths to taste the blue chocolate. Ooh, so scrumptious. Look, the TV's turning on in the train. Who can that be?
Is my makeup running? I don't like bats. The Count's mansion is spooky.
Welcome to the news bulletin. I am your host, Kermit the Frog. Today's news is on who ate all the cookies at Count's mansion. Let's hear from the famous Count Von Count on his description of the events. I was counting up to 10 purple cookies. I had bats annoying me this evening. The Cookie Express arrived with kids and adults. You telling me you are accusing the kids and the parents? No. They're nice and friendly, but sometimes you can't trust your close friends. Cookie! On the video footage, I, Kermit, was able to spot the suspects. Cookie Monster, Elmo, Big Bird, and this strange photo of a big roundish figure that makes snorting noises was at the scene, and Cookie was nowhere to be seen for an interview. What is that purple stuff all around your lips and chin, Miss Piggy?
Nothing. I just had a blueberry muffin. Anyway, I am too pretty to stay around the Count's mansion, the scene of the crime.
Miss Piggy, come back! As she holds up her makeup mirror and puts some foundation. I think I might have the scoop for you, Count. As Miss Piggy takes me away, pulling my white coat collar. We will send you back to your normal programming. Sesame Street bedtime story of Cookieland. Bye-bye from Kermit the Frog! Where did everybody go? I better continue to count all my cookies so no more go missing. I am the Count. Kermit! Where are you, Kermit?
Who ate all the cookies? Did you, Cookie Monster?
No, did you, Elmo? No, you.
No, you did.
No, you did. Stop all this fighting.
Big Bird.
Yes, Big Bird.
You're making all the kids switch off this channel. This is a loving show. Remember that. We need to head off to our next destination, Big Bird's treehouse. Cookie extravaganza. Will you find lovely lemon cookies, as they are Big Bird's favourite? Although some people may say I like worms cookies, they're yummy too. Welcome to Big Bird's treehouse cookie extravaganza. Climb through the treehouse and discover Big Bird's telephone, a giant-sized figurine of me, Big Bird, holding a phone with all the numbers as we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You climb the ladders through the branches, seeing all the green leaves, brown bark, yellow feathers on the ground. As you arrive at the main tree house, where you see all the yellow cookies plying up as the workers have gone home. Can you help Big Bird, kids? Sure we can. Oh, thank you all. You have to keep your eyes closed and count to 5, thinking about putting 5 cookies in a jar and closing the lid. 1 yellow cookie, 2 yellow cookies, 3 yellow cookies, 4 yellow cookies, 5 yellow cookies. You close the lid on all of them and start again. 1 yellow cookie, 2 yellow cookies, 3 yellow cookies, 4 yellow cookies, 5 yellow cookies.
1 hour later.
All is fixed. Thank you so much for helping out. I am so tired from counting yellow cookies. I'm going to sleep in Big Bird's nest. Night night, sleep tight as you go back on the Cookie Express and head off to your final destination for the night. Choo choo! Chugga 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 choo choo! Chugga chugga. As you go off to sleep, there is another news bulletin. Someone stole my tie. Where's my tie? Oh damn it. Hi-ho! Kermit the Frog here. I'm your Sesame Street reporter. There has been a naughty person taking away all Big Bird's yellow lemon cookies away from the kids who worked so hard to put them into jars. I did some snooping around and found Cookie Monster. What are you doing here? I'm trying to find the yellow cookies. I'm sure we'll find the person eating all the cookies soon. My 2 prime suspects, Cookie Monster or the mysterious figure from the Count's mansion, believed to be a pink-skinned coloured human or animal, we're not quite sure. Anyway, Kermit over and out as you return back to the Cookie Express in Cookieland. No, kids, have you seen Cookie? I told you all he was guilty. We have finally arrived at our last destination for the night, Cookie! At Cookie Monster's Chocolate Chip Mountain, yay!
I'm back.
Where you been, Cookie?
I have been solving the mystery of the missing cookies. Me getting really hungry. Did you hear my tummy? Welcome to Cookie Monster's Chocolate Chip Mountain. As we go on a roller coaster ride, by the end of your trip you will discover who is the person responsible for eating all the cookies. Enjoy your ride as you listen to how cookies are made. Rattle, 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 as the roller coaster starts moving. As you go up the hill, you see a big giant sugar packet full of sugar. Oh, sugar. What's been poured down like a waterfall. Towards the ground as you reach the top of the hill. You have a sudden drop down the hill. You head towards the pot at the bottom, covered in butter and cream, being stirred while sugar is being added. The roller coaster goes right through the pot. You think I am going to be covered in cream, as you suddenly end up in white fog. You can't see anything around you. And then you suddenly appear out of the mist. You spot a giant egg beater whisking you around as the roller coaster does twisty turns. You go upside down as giant eggs are cracked and vanilla essence are added into the mixture. You see the flour, the salt, baking powder added with one more thing to add. You know, the chocolate chips surrounding you as a river of chocolate stream on either side of the platform. The chocolate streams are passed through a cooling system to become hard like chocolate, finely chopped to be the size of chocolate chips that are added to the cookie mixture. Ooh, cookie. All mixed up, ready to go in the oven as we head into the caves. It starts to heat up as the flames are shooting out at us through the dragons, keeping us nice and toasty as we heat up nicely. As we turn the corner, we see a giant cookie monster head with its mouth open, ready to eat the giant cookies. We head towards me, Cookie Monster. Big head. The roller coaster. When the roller coaster suddenly stops and a giant screen comes down.
Grover here. It's the 9 o'clock news. Isn't it past your bedtime? I hope you're all sleeping well in Cookieland. For the few that are still awake, we need to solve the mystery of who is responsible for eating all the cookies. Let's pass you on to our reporter who's live at Cookieland at the roller coaster ride Cookie Monster's Chocolate Chip Mountain. What? No way! Kermit the Frog in the flesh!
Thank you, Grover. Welcome, kids and parents. As we're about to end our time at Cookieland, I am Kermit the Frog, and we have our 2 suspects in custody. Let's have a look at the evidence. Cookie Monster's key stats. He loves cookies. He has his own cookie channel. He's known to taste cookies. He has his own cookie factory here at Cookieland. And he was spotted at both scenes of the crime, eating cookies. Our second suspect, Miss Piggy, was spotted by me, Kermit, with blue smudges around her chin and lips. So the evidence all leads to Cookie!
Sorry, Kermit.
What you want, Elmo?
I was finally able to make a clear sighting on the hidden camera at the Count's mansion of who was eating the cookies. As you can see, Miss Piggy was given cookies by someone there with a green tinge in the corner of the camera, handing the cookie over. I couldn't quite figure out who it was, and there was Cookie Monster looking around for cookies, and discovered with my research that Cookie's usual behaviour, nothing out of the ordinary, with so many videos proving he's always searching for cookies. The person that actually responsible is...
No way, Elmo. This can't be. He wouldn't betray Cookieland.
The evidence is clear, Kermit.
This is the 9:05 news bulletin. Kermit the Frog here, live from Cookieland. Here I am dressed without my white coat, as I have something to tell you. The person responsible for eating all the cookies is me.
No, Kermit! It isn't true! You would never do that!
I'm so sorry to say it is true, and I was found out by Elmo.
The green tinge. I thought to myself the only other person on Sesame Street who was green is Oscar the Grouch. But the green was too light to be him. What finally solved this mystery was Kermit's white coat. Ooh, you can see on the bottom corner pocket purple stain that I discovered when doing the washing for Sesame Street. I got it tested at the Cookie Lab to see if the purple stains matched from the Count's mansion. When they came back positive, I knew we had found our man. Oh, I mean frog. Kermit, please tell your friends at Sesame Street why you did this.
It's all Miss Piggy's fault. She said she loved the Count's purple cookies, so I had to get her some. As she's so beautiful, I tried to frame Cookie Monster while putting Miss Piggy as a suspect, just to prove I wasn't favouring my girlfriend. Did I say that out loud?
Oh, of course I love you too, Kermit. Well, I think that's about wraps it up, kids. I hope you have enjoyed your trip to Sesame Street Cookieland. We hope to see you at the next video. Good night from Sesame Street, yay! Where there will be plenty more videos to come of your favourite cartoon characters. Night night. Goodbye everybody.